In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Xero account. Verifying your Xero account is a crucial step to ensure the security and smooth operation of your financial management tasks. By following these instructions, you'll have your account verified in no time, adding an extra layer of protection to your sensitive financial data. Let's start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the home page. You can do this by clicking on the Xero logo or the home button, which is typically located at the top of the screen. This is your starting point for accessing various parts of your Xero account, including the verification settings. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage where you will find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account. This is where you manage your personal settings, including security features. Once you're on the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled Multi-Factor Authentication. Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is a security system that requires more than one method of authentication to verify your identity. This could include something you know like a password and something you have like a smartphone app. It's an effective way to add an extra layer of security to your account. Now, find the option that says Set Up next to the multi-factor authentication section. Clicking this will guide you through the process of setting up MFA. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. They will usually involve downloading an authentication app to your smartphone, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, and linking it to your Xero account. This app will generate a time-sensitive code that you will need to enter whenever you log in, ensuring that only you have access to your account. And that's it. You have successfully set up and verified your Xero account. Remember, setting up multi-factor authentication is essential for maintaining the security of your financial information. With these steps, you're not only protecting your data, but also ensuring that you have control over who can access your account. If you have any questions or run into issues, Xero's Support Center provides extensive resources and support to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in securing your Xero account. Stay safe and secure online.